Hi, want to know how to enable or disable Google Assistant on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone, which are usually located in the app drawer. Then we would need to scroll down until you'll find this tab, name of which is Google. Here is it how it looks. Click on it, and now here we are on the tab which is named Recommended. We would need to switch to All Services, and here scroll down until you'll find this tab, Search Assistant and Voice. Click on it. Here on this list we would need to choose Google Assistant and then Hey Google and Voice Match. So let's click on it, and as you can see currently on this device my Hey Google is enabled because this slider is blue. But if you would like to disable the Hey Google Assistant, we would need to click on this slider that you can see here and click OK. Now when this slider has turned gray, the Google Assistant is disabled. But if you would like to otherwise enable it, we would need to click on it once more, and now you can see that I got here my voice match model. If you don't have one, you would need to do one, so let me show you how. I'll choose retrain so I can show you the process. Here the Google Assistant will ask you to say some phrases so it can recognize and remember your voice for the future reasons. So let's do it. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And this is it. Now you'll get this notification which is saying that Hey Google is ready, and we can click next and end our setup. Now our Hey Google is enabled, and let's test it. Hey Google. This is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.